Alright, James, my friend, you're all decorated with ribbons.
Ah, thanks, Victor. I look great with these ribbons on, just in time for the Christmas holidays.
And now don't be too overexcited, and you have to keep this fair. I know you're a very splendid engine, James, but keep it in mind, not everyone has to admire your paintwork.
Oh, don't worry about me, Victor. I'm sure I'll be fine. Come back soon, James.
Hello, guys. What do you think of my look?
Why do you have all these ribbons on you, James? Well, Christmas is coming, Racer Gordon, don't you know? Oh boy, I can't wait for Christmas. Me too, Rebecca. I hope this year will be just as good as last year. This is our second Christmas that us three are together. Isn't that right, boys? Yes, Animal Young Bow. That's right. I hope I could get some gold this Christmas. Oh, you're always asking for gold. You should know that everyone has to share, right?
Yeah, whatever.
So, I'm gonna show more minis with my lovely, colourful ribbons. I bet they're gonna be jealous of me.
Ooh, oh, be quiet, Ghost Henry. It's not Halloween. Christmas is near. Ooh, oh, the indignity.
Oh, be quiet, Racer Gordon. I'm sure you wouldn't mind if we raced downstairs to see who's the fastest to the tree.
Oh, you're on, Racer Rebecca. Ooh. Oh, this is gonna annoy us for a while.
Are you looking forward to Christmas, McQueen?
I sure am, Mater. I hope I can get some new fast tires. And I hope I can get a new coat of paint one day.
Hello, boys. James is in the house. Ah, hello, James. What seat you got there? I've got these lovely ribbons to celebrate the Christmas season. Don't I look great?
Huh. You do look fancy in those colourful ribbons, James.
Thank you, McQueen. I can't wait to show my looks to more minis when I see them.
Do you think he's getting a bit too splendid, McQueen?
Not sure, Mater.
Well, as long as the other minis are okay with it, then I'm sure they can cope with it.
Thanks for helping me deliver these trucks to the recycling centre, Scruff. No problem, Whiff. I'm so happy you've joined our collection. And I wonder which other minis we'll see next. Hello there, you two. Look at my new looks. Ah, hello, James. What's with all the ribbons? Victor decorated me for the Christmas holidays. Don't I look great with these ribbons? Huh. Well, you look very splendid. And you two, keep your smelly rubbish away from me. I've got other minis I need to show. Okay, James. There's no need to be so bossy about it. Oh, don't worry, Whiff. I'm sure James will understand. I mean, collecting rubbish is a very important job, isn't it? Yes, Scruff, it is. So, Aquatic Gator, what are you gonna do this Christmas? During the holidays, I am planning to spend some time with you, Harold. Ah, thanks, Gator. It would be nice to spend some time with another Orca Mini. Hey, is that James? Why, yes, it's me, Glowing Paxton. Why do you have those bow ties on you? Well, what do you think of my look, everyone? Wow! Where'd you get all those ribbons from? Victor has modified me with all of these colourful ribbons so I can be festive for the Christmas holidays. Oh yeah, Christmas is coming up soon. Oh boy, I bet this year's gonna be not as good as last year though. Oh, don't worry, I'm sure our owner can get something good this year. Anyways, what do you think of my new look? Huh, I wish I had a look like that. But you've got too many worms on you, and you're disgusting. Oh, be quiet, creature data. So, James, we've got a question. Yes, you too. What is it? What ribbons did Victor give you? Well, not actual ribbons, just decal ribbons. I look splendid, don't I? Well, you do look really nice with those ribbons, but I think you're showing off a bit too much. No, I'm not, am I? I think he's right, James. Yeah, Breakfast Pussy's right. You are kind of showing off. Oh, quit your whining. I think everyone likes my ribbon looks. Huh, what do you all think of my looks, everyone? I think everyone prefers my New Year decals, James. Huh, well, what makes you think that? Well, let's do a voting. Everyone chooses which decals are the best. Alright? A voting option? Fine. Alright, everyone's been gathered around and see who has the most votes. Everyone, vote for my colourful ribbons. Alright, everyone vote for my New Year celebration decals. Well, what do you know? 6 votes against 5. That's impossible. I don't understand. I thought everyone liked my ribbons. Well, if you keep showing off, then we would lose interest. Well, the 5 of us actually like your ribbons, but these other minis prefer Edward's New Year's celebrations. That's New Year's Edward to you, Metallic Edward. Alright, whatever. I guess you guys are right. Maybe I can try something else for Christmas instead. Would you all like that? Sure, we don't mind. So what will you wear this year instead? Well, you'll have to wait and see in the next minis video, which is coming on Christmas Day, folks. See you then.